Hi everyone, welcome to World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage farmhouse inspired cottage decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Ah, vintage farmhouse inspired cottage decoration. This is a style that beautifully blends nostalgia, rustic charm, and cozy comfort. Let's dive into its essence, elements, and styling tips. Core essence, nostalgic and timeless, combines the warmth of vintage beaches with the simplicity of farmhouse aesthetics. Comfort and coziness, spaces feel lived in, welcoming, and relaxed. Natural and rustic emphasizes on jaw texture, natural materials, and its lively own-in look. Key elements, materials and textures wood, distressed, reclaimed, or whitewashed wood for furniture and floors. Metal, antique or matte finishes hardware, light fixtures and accents. Fabrics is linen, cotton, burlap, and crochet, or lace for cushions, curtains, and truss. Colors base is soft whites, creams, and light grays. Accents pastel blues, muted greens, and warm earth tones. Natural finishes oud, stone, and oud iron tones. Furniture mixed vintage and farmhouse pieces, a rustic wooden dining table with antique chairs, overstuffed sofas or armchairs with cozy truss, open shelving, hatches, or sideboards for a lived-in feel. Decor and accessories, antique clocks, ordered picture frames, and vintage mirrors. Use messenger, ceramic pictures, and galvanized metal containers as decor or storage. Use soft rug, knitted puffs, and clear textiles, fresh or dried flowers in simple vases to bring life into the space. Lighting is soft, warm lighting with vintage candlelights, lanterns, or Edison bulbs. Table lamps with fabric shades for a cozy ambience. Walls and floors, whitewash or neutral walls, exposed wooden beams or brick accents if possible. Wooden floors with distressed rugs, layered for warmth. Styling tips: mix old and new. Pair antique furniture with modern comforts like plush cushions. Keep it clutter-free but warm. Avoid minimalism, starkness. Display cherished vintage finds. Layer textures. Use linen curtains, knit troughs, and open baskets for tactile dip. Personal touches. Use family heirlooms, vintage kitchenware, and handmade craft. Give personality. Historical and emotional roots from house artisans, inspired by rural homes and barn, originally designed for practicality, durability, and comfort. Readers' influence: incorporate these items with history, furniture, decor, and textiles that carry a sense of time and storytelling. Cottage appeal: cozy, intimate spaces that feel safe, warm, and inviting. Think small rooms with nooks, window seats, and fireplaces. Emotional layers. This style evokes nostalgia, simplicity, and a slower packed, mindful lifestyle. Materials and finishes: wood, reclaimed barn wood, aged oak, pine, and painted or distressed finishes. Furniture often shows oil and patina. Metals: use old iron, aged brass, and tin, used in lighting, cabinet handles, and decorative items. Textiles: use natural fiber, linen, cotton, wool, often in muted or floral patterns. Crochet, lace, and patchwork are common. Stone and masonry. Natural stone accents in huts or flooring, exposed bricks and rustic texture. Furniture and layout, functional yet comfortable. Large farmhouse tables use over stuffed sofas and reading nooks. Mix and match, blend antique pieces with near farmhouse style furniture. Open and cozy spaces are open but layered with rugs, curtains, and textiles for warmth. Repurposed and upcycled old doors as headboards, crutches as shelving, twinless ladders as a towel rack. Decor details, vintage wines, clocks, mirrors, trays, jars, and candlesticks with patina or history. Handcrafted items, crochet knit shawls, embroidered pillows, and handmade pottery. Nature and flora. Use fresh flowers, dried lavender, potted herbs, or rustic floral arrangements. Wall art and displays. Framed old prints, botanical sketches, antique sign or family photos in vintage frames. Lighting and ambience. Use warm, soft lighting is key. Edison bulbs, lantern, rustic candlelights, table lamps with linen shades or candle sconces enhance the cozy feeling. Daylight is impressed. Sheer curtains or soft shrubs allow natural light to follow in. Sensory and seasonal elements, smells, scented candles, dried herbs, or natural wood aroma evoke homey comfort. Textures, layering soft throws over rugs and wooden surfaces create tactile richness. Seasonal touches, draped seasonal flowers or antique baskets for winter or harvest decor. Winter's Farmhouse Cottage Decor is about creating a timeless lived-in home that feels both nostalgic and functional, where every piece tells a story and every corner imparts relaxation. The emotional and lifestyle appeal, cozy nostalgia. This style is designed to make people feel at home immediately. It evokes memories of simpler times, family gatherings, and slower-packed living. Mindful living encourages sustainability and intentional choices, using repurposed furniture, vintage wines, and handcrafted items. Storytelling through decor, each piece, whether an antique clock, old trunk, or crocheted pillow, carries history and personality. Key decor themes: rustic charm, exposed wooden beams, rustic furniture, and natural textures create authenticity. Uneven surfaces, chipped paint, and visible art are celebrated, not hidden. Vintage elegance incorporates heirlooms or antique items like porcelain, silverware, mirrors, clocks, and frames. Soft-edged colors like faded blues, muted greens, and blush tones balance rusticness. Cottage coziness, layered textiles, throws, coils, rugs, and lace curtains. Soft corners, use window seats, cushioned benches, and cozy reading nooks. Common decorative elements, furniture, reclaimed wooden tables, distressed armoires, farmhouse chairs, and small antique cabinets. Textiles, crochet, lace, gingham, floral prints, and patchwork quilts. Accessories, mason jars, baskets, vintage trays, lanterns, ceramic pitchers, and candle holders. Wall decor, use botanical prints, framed vintage photos, farmhouse sign, and rustic mirrors. Materials and texture focus, oud. Lighter dark distressed oud, reclaimed beams, and barnwood accents. Metal, oud iron is brass or tin details in furniture, lighting, or hardware. Natural fibers, cotton, linen, wool, barlap, and jute for curtains, pillows, and rugs. Stone and masonry. Natural stone huts, brick walls, or ceramic tiles for accent areas. This style is ultimately about creating a warm, nostalgic home that feels timeless, lived in, and soulful, where every detail, big or small, tells a story. Philosophy and lifestyle, solo living and mindfulness. This decor emphasizes quality over quantity. Every item has meaning, history, or function. Sustainability, repurposed furniture, upcycled decor, and handcrafted items reduce waste and celebrate uniqueness. Comfort and lived and feel. Spaces are designed for real life family gatherings, cozy sitting corners, and relaxed meal themes. Connection to nature. Large windows, potted plants, flowers, and natural pictures create harmony with the outdoors. Layered textures and materials wood. Whitewashed, distressed, or reclaimed wood for floors, ceilings, and furniture. Fabrics, linen, cotton, wool, burlap, lace, and crochet used in curtains, straws, pillows, and table runners. Metal accents, antique brass, old iron, or tin used in lighting, hardware, and decorative pieces. Stone and ceramics use stone hearts, ceramic vases, and clay pottery, bring grounding, rustic elements. Color and finish philosophy. Neutral base use creams, soft whites, beige, and light grays. East accents, muted pastels, faded blues, shades greens, soft pinks, and weathered terracotta. Natural inking, faded or distressed finishes evoke the charm of items with history. Layered look, different shades and textures layered together create warmth and depth. Furniture and layout principles. Function meets nostalgia. Tables, cabinets, and benches are practical but often reclaimed or vintage. Mix and match. Blend antique with modern comforts. Overstuffed sofas with rustic wooden tables. Cozy look. Reading corners, window seats, and small benches encourage relaxation. Open yet inviting. Spaces remain airy but layered with rugs, textiles, and decor. Decorative elements, vintage wines, clocks, mirrors, trays, old bottles, and kitchenware. Handcrafted touches, crochet knit throws, embroidered pillows made from all hangings. Floral and natural is fresh or dried flowers, potted plants, herbs, and rustic flower arrangements. Wall styling, framed vintage photos, botanical prints, antique sign, and mirrors with patina. Sensory experience site. Their textures, distressed finishes, soft colors, and vintage items create visual warmth. Touch, soft truss cushions, natural wood, and open baskets invite tactile interaction. Smell, fresh flowers, herbs, wood, and scented candles evoke homeliness. Sound, quiet, calm, and natural. Soft white rose contains cracking fireplace or gentle music. Emotional and symbolic layers. Every item tells a story or evokes memory. Celebrate the simplicity, resilience, and the beauty of imperfections, like Shabby influence. Encourages creating a home that nurtures soul, family, and comfort, not just aesthetics. The soul of the style, heritage, and memory. This decor celebrates this history, both personal, family heirlooms, and cultural, rustic craftsmanship. Comfort and coziness. Spaces are designed to feel safe, lived in, and inviting, increasing lingering and relaxation. Timelessness. Pieces are chosen for ensuring beauty and function rather than filling trains. Emotional impact evoke nostalgia, comfort, and mindfulness. Celebrates the imperfection and the beauty of ease. Encourages a home that feels alive, lived in, and meaningful, not just decorative. The philosophy behind the style: timeless living. This style emphasizes enduring beauty of a trends. Each item, from furniture to decor, has a story or function that connects past and present. Intentional and mindful. Every piece is chosen deliberately, whether for its craftsmanship, history, or emotional resonance. Comfort first. Spaces are meant to feel lived in, cozy, and unpretentious, perfect for relaxation, family, and connection. Connection to nature. Through natural light, wood, plants, and architectures, this style encourages harmony with the outdoors. Emotional and symbolic dimension, nostalgia and memory. Every piece tells a story and evokes personal or collective history. Imperfection is beauty, celebrate this patina, wear, and the natural aging process. Soulful living encourages a home that nurtures solving, mindfulness, and meaningful daily routines. Outdoor integration, rustic furniture, wooden benches, rocking chairs, and old iron tables. Natural elements use sharp cotton, climbing plants, potted flowers, or rustic planters. Decorative touches, vintage watering cans, lanterns, or voided containers continue the indoor aesthetic outside. Vintage farmhouse cottage decoration is not just about aesthetics, it is about creating a warm, lived-in home that tells stories, feels comfortable, and connects people to the past, nature, and each other. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.